Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Altcoin Buzz Trading. Today we're taking a look at Bitcoin, Pancakeswap, and Harmoney, symbols CAKE and ONE. All right, let's get right to it. Looks like I'm looking at Pancakeswap, but we'll circle back to that. We're going to look at BTC, which is holding pretty well. So far, I think the status of the rally is strong. It's pretty good. I would like us to have moved out again already, but it is what it is. You never get to time these things. I don't get to make that decision. So we are waiting for the market to do its thing. We're holding up our support level, and our next move up right now is through the 35,185. This is a decent opportunity, though, to actually get some Bitcoin lower if you don't have any yet. In this rally, people tend to get a little bit skittish when these things go up dramatically. They wait for a pullback, but as I mentioned a few videos ago, Bitcoin doesn't pull back when it's bullish. If you think Bitcoin's bullish, you want to get in as low as possible. Today's probably your day. We're probably not going to get a retest in a rally like that. Bitcoin kind of doesn't do that. I'll do it once, maybe twice, and I just don't see it in the cards quite yet. But I wouldn't mind getting it down these levels personally. It's not a bad spot. Your stop is actually pretty reasonable. Looks like support now is about the 33,200 level, which is pretty decent. Okay, and with the volume shaping up the way that it is, the only X factor here, as I've said, is the stock market, which is peeing its own bed, and yeah, not a good look over there. But crypto has withstood it in the past. It's doing a pretty good job of withstanding it right now. So I don't see too much wrong with this market. I like the consolidation that BTC is doing, and like I said, not a bad place if you want to consider it lower here. All right, next up is Pancakeswap. And both of these we did talk about yesterday. Pancakeswap actually starting to move up through the alert level as I'm recording this. 1.241 is our level that we had right there. I did move our stop up to the 1.206 as we have kind of short ourselves up here since we met yesterday. So that makes this risk reward 6.37 with a potential target of 1.46. So I think Pancakeswap, and if it gets up to that, it's actually a pretty natural place for it to go. You can see there's a breakdown point over here where we go down vertically, and so that's a good spot for it to hit. Also, I do want to remind you all of my measured move rule. This is based off of a measured move, and you can get 75% on a measured move before I consider it complete. So even if it doesn't fully meet its target, it could still, meet its target. And then Harmoney symbol 1, or ONE, not the number 1. With a pretty interesting signal here yesterday that you don't see all the time, but is a signal of strength called an undercut and rally. And this was Gil Morales and Kutcher. I have his book over here, wherever it is. Yeah. Catcher, Kacher, and Morales. Those guys kind of quantified the undercut and rally. Well, here it is. Here's the undercut and rally. Kind of a secret signal not too many people know about, but this one stands out in your face. You have very high volume candle. It undercuts a prior low, in this case 2 prior lows, undercuts it and comes back and rallies hard and closes above the low level. That is an undercut and rally. It is a bullish sign in chart pattern that's actually pretty good. Harmoney, great volume. Up here, nice stability. So if we can get past that 01158, I think we'll be off to the races. These are still some of the better looking charts in the market. And with that being said, as this market matures, as this bull market matures, hopefully it'll do what it's always done in all the bull markets. Something will lead us out of it. Could be Solana, could be Chainlink. We've discussed those coins as well. And then we're done. We're just on to the next leg. And so we're looking for tight, concise patterns, high volume in the move up, which are the ones that we've looked at. I think these are some of the better ones in the market right now. All right, everyone, have a good one out there. I will see you next week, Monday on Altcoin Buzz Trading.